Yeah, man, people. So it's the trendy back again with the latest news. So today we are going to talk about the two good friends that was murdered and killed in the section of Winward Road, and that is two female, by the way. Yeah, man, people. So two nice lady was killed in the section of Winward Road on August the 10, or it's the 9. Okay, well, them dead either way still, but it's either 2 day or a day. So them two person actually know themselves for 8 years. Them both get shot on Friday at Winward Road, is it? So the deceased have been identified as Carleen Campbell, 47 years old, and Bonisha Carr, a 30-year-old lady. So reports are that about 9:20 p.m. Campbell and Carr were standing among a group of persons along the roadway when they were pounced upon by armed men traveling a motor car, who then opened fire, hitting them. So the police were alerted and they were taken to hospital, where Campbell was pronounced dead and Carr died while being treated. So sad, guys. And Campbell's sister, which is Michelle, told the Jamaica Star that she is still in disbelief, guys. When you see it on TV or on the news, it affect me, and now it come close to me. Now it's like my body numb. I don't even know what to think right now. I just have to say my prayers and go on my bed and ask for protection. But it hard because I wouldn't even want that for my worst enemy, much less. She said sometimes I wake out, especially when I'm me alone there home. I bury my mother in January, so I just wonder why me I go through this again. She said to her sister has left 2 children behind. So that really are gone, people, and but I know the sister, but anybody who watch this and can give them a help. You no need to give some people a help, man, cause I regular them things happen. See conscience brother dead there and him a take care, and brother 2 you them right now. You see me? Some people see them you and think of him own, the way him treat them. You see, pray, guys. So even now them that the woman will pass away, daughter can't stop crying, cause they must say like they said yeah them living as them they run to the back part. And them can't even sleep a good at night time, cause the mother naturally just take care of them, treat them the right and proper way. You get me, guys, and wash, cook and clean them way they feed them. You see me? And from the other day some things that happen at Bower, cause one day one woman did a Bower to differently, you see me, one brown lady. You see me? So seems as if them person you come from Bower, cause Bower come from Winward Road. And yes, a Kingston, believe, and yes, I know everywhere in a Kingston. Pray. But big man thing, but just come for inform the people them. Say that really go on, you see me? No, I'm just inform the people them what happened, to be honest, but I don't know where them involved in, alright? But that no really give them the right for say them gonna kill the woman, them, you see me? And John, I just don't understand what kind of man them, you see me? Cause even me in my right mind, me I tell you. People of them right mind do them thing, I will love woman. You see, pray. Yeah, man. And if a girl forgive a man bun, you know them way the people, they just know say, you know, kill her, you just go give back a one bun. You see me? Something with a bun with somebody else, up or something, but you know, them people, they just make things look away, yo. You see me? But respect everybody for tuning in. As soon as I get the rest of the information upon what I go on, I just vlog them, because that's all I do. But thanks for the support and watch. And at the end this, so big up on yourself, and you know the style.